Well, we decided to ride our bikes up here again, see what's been going on, and it's some rain up here. Something new, there's a camera up here. Apparently the drywall guy likes to put one up because he's had drywall stolen in the past, so he'll have it on tape. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 Can-Am motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. Well, they're getting ready to paint, so they're out here pressure washing. And the equipment's coming out here for our RV garage installation this weekend, and that'll be going up hopefully on Monday. There it is, all naked. Pretty soon it won't be naked anymore. We're going to have to give it a name. We'll have to choose one from all the ones you guys sent to us. Well, we have insulation. This is the garage. And it looks like we also have water not draining like it should. So the hot water tank's going to go. All insulated at the guest room. Smile, Dave. Yeah. Okay.
Starting to get smaller.
It is now. We got some insulation, yeah. Well, looks like that's about all we got going on here. So where's the shut-off?
Exterior shut-off valve for the fireplace. Why?
Says it's code.
Well, if it's code that you have to have an exterior shut-off valve to your appliances, why not put it down here on the main coming in? That would make more sense.
Yeah, that looks freaking ugly as hell.
Yeah, I don't want that. I just don't want it.
So what you're saying is you want it down here with this other one?
Yeah. And this one will have a shut-off valve on it.
This is something just with the fireplace, but that looks horrible.
I've never ever seen that.
What's the verdict on the fireplace? Are we going to be able to put that drawer in here, or do we just waste our time and money building a drawer? Because we ended up with a vented fireplace when we thought it was going to be vent-free. If we still can put it in here, is this going to be moved back into the wall?
The tub has to be supported underneath here. You just can't hang it by the rim and expect it to hold up 1,000 pounds of water or more. So you have to have some sort of concrete or something supporting that.
And then as a last minute, decided this is the double vanity, that we want an outlet in the middle because we have water pick that we like to use, and I don't want to have to buy two because there's outlet for that side of the vanity and there's an outlet for that side. So we'll see if they can still do that. Well, the lift is here, so I'll be ready for the guys when they get here on Monday. What you doing now, Dave?
Quiet.
Don't tell nobody. What are you doing?
We're not doing anything. Trying to get a hold of the staple.
So what's going on?
Moving the 220 line.
This is it. Explain, people.
They got it up too high on the side of the house.
For the hot tub.
For the hot tub, yeah.
So from there down to there. Much better. Because a hot tub's going to sit here. So that's a much better location than having it up so high. Well, they dropped off all the drywall. So they should be starting that pretty soon. Drywall here in the living room. Dining area, kitchen, bedroom, bunch in the garage. Let's go! Show us what you got, Dave.
That's my box. It goes behind the mantle. My drawers.
So what's the idea behind this?
Well, the idea is the mantle attaches to these two drawers, and you take the mantle and pull it out.
Got storage.
And you got
Place for your videos
place
and
for videos, remote controls, whatever.
ammo.
Handguns.
And that's going to go.
Back-ends.
Can you pick that up and show us where you're hoping it's going to go? We've got some changes I'll have to make for this to work, or else we may have to skip it altogether. But we like the idea of the extra little storage there.
Right about here.
So, with the space that you have from the vent to the bottom of your drawer,
About 3 inches.
3 inches.
Right around there. Yeah.
So are you concerned about any heat getting to the drawer?
Somewhat, but not overly.
Maybe we're safe.
I would think so.
We'll stop at a fireplace store just to be sure about it, though. We got the big doors in. Open it up. That's some heavy doors there. There you go. And we got white on the inside. And black on the outside. Yeah, they still got to put board and batten in here too.
Yeah, still got to put the batten.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.